local workers, there's unity, right? It's a community, it's a family. You may not have a stable household or a stable family back at home, but la utoitola. Everyone shows love, compassion, and care for one another. There may be arguments, but at the end of the day, there's always love to circle around. And that's why we're still here.
Sanbonani babukela makhaya. Of course, this is your host Thobeka Hatebe, aka German Girl. So today, guys, as usual, I sitting around Sito lands my one of my best sisters, friends. Atositshela ngabanzi about herself. Asitshela ukuthi ngubani wakabani wakuphi ilofo workers yamnceda ngani. So stay tuned ngisayemlanda.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody.
As I said, my F Simon, she will be explaining to us Mbani Wakabani Wagu. Hi Bushi. How are you?
Okay, how are you?
Okay, please tell the viewers about yourself.
Okay, so I'm guys, I'm 17 years old and in high school.
Okay, Bushi. As you're part of Ilofo Workers, can you tell us about Ujodenini, Uyivengabani, like Jumbo what was it? So can you please tell the viewers? Yeah.
Okay, guys. So, my local workers joiner because of Mama, because Mama was very into fitness, and to better herself mentally and physically. So then I think it was around 2021, 2022, between those times. Yeah, and I actually started joining it because Minena Mama Vele, it was our goal. Emotionally, mentally, physically, we must train ourselves. Yeah, and
since you've joined Ilofo because for that long period of time, ungashitshela ukuthi like ufunzeni, ugaineni, like the positive stuff.
Okay. So as we know, through my local workers, there's unity, right? It's a community, it's a family. You may not have a stable household or a stable family back at home, but la utoitola. Everyone shows love, compassion, and care for one another. There may be arguments, but at the end of the day, there's always love to circle around. And that's why we're still here.
Okay, as we like we're here at Good Boot Camp to do some certain things. Can you please tell the people ingani the camp? What is the purpose and the intention of the camp?
Okay, so we're here to celebrate Mandela Day, basically, or Mandela Month. That we already know, but the deep meaning behind this, our intentions for this is to reload our minds. It's to basically calm ourselves and forget about everything, all our struggles, all our commitments that we have back at home, and to basically calm our heart, our minds, our physical bodies, and find unity, find like outlets to offload, and also so that we can connect with our inner selves, we can connect with other people, we can help other people to also find the confidence as well to also offload.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, there are people out there who are looking for like indawo exercise corner, but then some places need money. Would see like exercise, they did a like invite as we know ukuthi vele lo Field Office is one of the biggest teams in Mpumalanga with more than 1,000 people. Labanye ungaba encourage ukuthi bayijoin njani and why?
Okay, so as I've said before, really you come here as one person, right? You come here individually, but you come out of this with stable people, like with a group of people. You are not alone when you exit here. You may come here thinking that you come individually, but when you go out, you exit with a family. Oh, and also I wanted to say that since this is kind of like a non-profit thing, right? You also, like, there are a lot of charities that we help, right? There are a lot of, like, how can I say, fundraisers that we do, you know, and we are bettering a community, you're building a community, you're helping other communities, you know. So the purpose really, like, it is very, very, you know, worth it.
Okay, let's see, we have different guests. We've got a youth desk, we've got a mental health, we've got a safety awareness, like ngisho bantwana ma water point ungasho ukuthi like yini lengathi yashorta of yini lekahle, like ufila njani ngawo ngema water point alathini nangama desk.
Okay, I think that actually my water point is alright because a youth, no, but specifically for the younger ones, right, the little ones, there are toys, there, you know, and it's a proper distance, you know, a comfortable distance for them. And I like how they added that in, you know, so that the kids aren't spraying themselves, and it's not just an adult thing, you know. Kids can also come in and, you know, also change their physical bodies. You know, I would say that they should get more storybooks, you know, for the kids, you know, so that they don't just, you know, play with or train their physical bodies, but also mentally, you know, so that they can train out their minds. And yeah, that's basically what I think should be added.
Okay, so last but not least, since it's really like campaign, can you please tell the viewers what ufike like unjani uyomuka unjani, like ngema feelings wakho, stress maybe sehlile mthwale emahlombe, like things ezinjalo yabo.
Yeah. Okay, so basically namuhla tukasekele besikhuluma ngepeace, right? And you know, I think a lot of us were nervous, especially as kids coming without our parents, you know, and now we're surrounded by adults, and it was kind of intimidating. But immediately when we got here, the weight was lifted right off my shoulders. I could feel really this is a safe space, you know. And you know, I came here with, I feel everyone came with burdens, you know, everyone came with their own personal struggles, some greater than others, but no one made your struggles feel inferior to theirs, you know. We're all trying to help each other, and I just think that really you find proper friends, you find proper connections, and yeah, I think I've made proper and stable friendships and relationships with a lot of adults here, you know, and a lot of the members here. And yeah, you know, I think really all the physical activities that we've done, you know, to train our what's it called, our mentalities, you know, it really helped us a lot.
Okay, babukele emakhaya emzinikivele kusesiwami Buhle wakaSimon. She told us about ukuthi yena ufila njani yelo Field Workers ne-team. Wena ungahlula yini kusijoyina? Thank you guys for viewing. So this is siyayivala siyasho ukuthi we don't promise, we commit. Thank you.